To change a GTBank token to a PIN, the process can be completed online. Start by opening the GTBank app on a mobile device and logging into the account. Navigate to the Profile section, typically located at the top left corner of the screen, and select it. From there, choose the confirmation method and opt for a transaction PIN. Then enter a 4-digit PIN. To initiate the change, click on the Change PIN option under the profile. An SMS with a 6-digit one-time password, OTP, will be sent to the phone number registered with GTBank. Open the SMS app to retrieve this code. Next, provide the secret answer to confirm identity and click Enter to complete the change to PIN. Then save the new PIN. If the secret answer is forgotten, there is an option to retrieve it via email, which will include the secret question. It's worth noting that after making the switch from token to PIN, transaction limits will be in place, specifically a daily limit of 125,000 IRA for a period of 48 hours. By following these steps, the GTBank token can be successfully changed to a PIN.